Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad Indian style. First, select starchy potatoes such as russets or Yukon Golds for a creamy texture. Boil them until they are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, let them cool completely, then peel and dice them into uniform 1-inch cubes, ensuring even mixing later. Now let's build the flavor. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, add a sprig of fresh curry leaves, 2 chopped green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, sautéing for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and a pinch of asafoetida. It's time to bring it all together. Carefully add the tempered spice mixture to your diced potatoes, tossing gently to coat them evenly without mashing. Squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lemon and sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Finally, season with salt to taste, mixing well to achieve a perfectly balanced and delicious Indian potato salad. Your Indian potato salad is now ready to be enjoyed. This versatile dish can be served chilled or at room temperature, making it perfect for any occasion. It pairs wonderfully as a side with grilled meats, curries, or even as a light meal on its own. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.